Hey guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can unfollow someone on Instagram. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Instagram app and log in with your account. Once you do that, just go to your profile option and now go to your following list. So now from here, what you need to do is, so you need to choose whom you want to unfollow. So it's loading, so let's just wait for a while. Let me try again. So let's say I want to unfollow this account. So what I'm going to do is, you can see this, there is a following option. Just go over here and that's how you're gonna unfollow someone on Instagram. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.